Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chief architect of the Constitution. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Mars appears red due to iron oxide. The SI unit of force is Newton. Force is measured in Newton. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Mahatma Gandhi. Uh, which vitamin is called the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D, produced in skin by sunlight. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? Godavari. Godavari is the Ganga of South India. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Canberra is the capital city. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which gas is essential for respiration? Oxygen. The largest continent in the world is Asia. Who built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline. ভারতীয় জাতীয় কংগ্রেস কে প্রতিষ্ঠা করেন? এ.ও. হিউম। ঘরের তাপমাত্রা কোন ধাতু তরল থাকে? মার্কারি। The smallest bone in the human body is stapes. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? Japan. The chemical formula of water is H2O. The Parliament of India consists of President plus Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Vitamin A. Which river has the largest basin in India? Ganga. The headquarters of WHO is located at Geneva. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Silver.